Because everything, only not the Samandha. Samandha also Vaikuntha, Ajodhya, Dwaraka, Mathura, Vrindavan. Samandha this too, but Samandha is not only prominent. Samandha, that is called the making the platform. Understand? But on the platform of Samandha, knowledge of relationship, then Mamata comes. Mamata, the possessions, this Mamata. And this Mamata possessiveness again two types. What did he say? Tadyatta bhav and madyatta bhav. Tadyatta bhav, I belongs to him. And wife is saying, I belongs to my husband. And, but where in the parabol mood, that means he belongs to me. Because Sakyatta bhav, where is the Sakyatta bhav, that time this mood is coming. Or Parakyatta bhav, that time this, he belongs to me. But the gopis in their heart origin Parakyatta bhav, that is called Paroda. Paroda is Paroda also on two kinds of Paroda. Because if this Mamatta, how is Mamatta increasing? So this Paroda is coming this way. Paroda means they married. Actually they married me with Jogmaya. They did not Gopi, they did not marry any Gopals. Just Jogmaya arranged their marriage ceremony. Jiva Goswami Pad very nicely explained which Grantha? Gopal Champu Grantha. Actual Gopis, they never married with any Gopals. Just in Jogmaya arranged in their dream. One night, just they are sleeping, they are thinking, oh, we marry with one go, this go, this go, this go. Jatha sapnavat. Sapna means dream. And all their parents also doing Jogmaya actually arrange these things. They have not the direct to marry with this is not. Because they are one nishtha is there. The Brajendra Nandan Vina Nahi Sparshe Annajan. Srimati Radhika and Dishadi, they are good here. Brajendra Nandan Vina Nahi Sparshe Annajan. They never to touch to other else except Krishna. So how would we marry? When marriage ceremony, that time I have to, there is a panigrahan. Panigrahan, understand? Pani means hand. Bride and bridegroom, they are to holding hand and tying with the thread and chanting one mantra. When I am doing the marriage ceremony, do this. Then offer they are taking vow, this, mama hidang, tavaidang, mama hidang, and this, there many also do there. But how gopis, they are Sarup Shakti Sarupini. Understand? No one can touch their body except Krishna. Even Krishna manifested in the form of Narayan. Also, they will not touch with Krishna. That Krishna. So here Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami in Chaitanya Chaitamrita explaining Brajendra Nandan Vina Nahi Sparshe Annaja. Gopis actually they never meet with any Gopa and other things. So now coming this, actually I am saying this because Mamatta, this Tadyat, Madhyatta Mama Bhav in the heart of the Paroda Gopis. In Vrindavan, many kinds of gopis also there. Some also Sakyas gopis, but they did not marry, but they marry with Krishna in what is called? That is called exchange the garland. Thus they playing, exchange the garland. That marriage is called Gandharva vivaha. Because some their heart also the smell of Sakyata Bhav, some gopis. The Krishna is my husband. Actual Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti was saying, who are that gopis? Actually, those who perform Katyayani Vrat, that gopis. Because their heart is there. Katyayani Vrat gopis, those gopis who perform Katyayani Vrat, that their heart. The Krishna is my heart. Because here is direct the meaning, Katyayani Mahamaya Maha Jaganeshwari Nanda Gopa Sutame Pati me Kurutema. So you have Pati Sabda here. Pati means Nanda's, the son of Nanda Maharaj, he would be our husband. So here this word in the smell of Pati Bhav. Because Radha and her party, they are completely or absolutely only Parakya Bhav. Even their heart no any smell of Pati. In Gopi Geet also Manishri, Pati Sutannaya Bhatribandhava Nati Vilangate Antachuta Gata. Pati Sutannaya. Actually, this is not uttered by Srimati Radhika. Many slokas of this way, the slokas, some slokas of not uttered by Srimati Radhika or her groups. Maybe Chandravali or maybe that Guru Sadhana Siddhas, gopis, those who are Katyayani Vrat gopis, different gopis are there. 360 types of gopis are there. How many? 360 types of gopis. So try to understand this way. The smell is there, a Parakyatta Bhav. Srimati Radhika in their heart, Parakyatta Bhav. They have only one kind of abhiman, egos. We married. Actually, they did not marry. Jogmayasi arranged this way. Even they don't want to listen this Pati Sabda, they don't want to listen. What to say to other things? As like Sarvabhaumacharya, I don't want to listen to Mukti. Mukti Pade Swadai Bhako. Sarvabhaumacharya told, Ye Prabhu, I don't want to listen the word of liberation, Mukti. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, Vyasadeva has written, Vyasa Narayana Sana. That time Mahaprabhu explained that different meaning of Mukti. What is the Mukti? Are Mukti Keso Badhanati Krishna Krishna, what is called, tied the bride of the gopis. And again Krishna, and when Krishna met with the gopis, then their bride automatically untied. Understand? Many things. If I tell you, you cannot digest. Our material conception. Huh?
We don't digest so many things.
Many things can digest, no problem. Are no need to digest. So, why I am saying? Because those who are the Parakyatta Paroda Bhav Gopis, they never think Krishna is my husband. Pati Sabda, this very, what is called, bitter as like to them. They don't want to these things. Understand? But is Vyasdev has written Pati Sutannaya Bhatribandhava Nati Vilangate Antachuta Gataha. Here Pati means one who nourishment their love in their heart. Po mane palan, to nourishment. Ti means trana. Palanam tranayam. That is called Pati. Pati means not the husband always. Understand? Actually here this Pati, this Sabda is cheating for the Sakyatta people. Here Pati means Krishna nourishment, their prem, and also protect them. What is the how nourishment? In the Viraha. In Viraha, when gopis, they felt pang of separation, that time Krishna nourishment, their prem. So, why I am saying? Because those who are Paroda gopis, and especially Srimati Radhikas and her groups, they never use this one. And Pati Sabda they never use. And also Jiva Goswami Pad explained they never inquire in their heart or mind they married or unmarried. Who is saying they are Paradora? We are saying. When we are Tatastha, we are saying. Actually, Gopis, you ask they married or unmarried. They know we don't know. What is the marriage? What is the meaning of marriage? They don't know anything. Why? Because they always absorb with Krishna. Krishna Nam, Krishna Katha. Krishna Nam, Roop, Gun, Jas, Avatang Sakane. And in their ears, that garland is called only Krishna Nam Gun Katha. This thing. So now, why I am saying because their mamatta is coming this way, that is called the, what mamatta? What is it? Madhyatta. So now coming in this, when the man dasa coming, when man dasa coming, that time she does not want to serve to Krishna. She is a little bit far. In her kunja, Jat Kinkusu Boso Koluka Kuvani, Nittang Parasa Purusa Sikanda Muli, Jassa Kada Rosandi, Visavhanu Jaya, Tatkali Kunji Bhavanangana Marjanisam. Prabhudanandar Saswadi Pad, Radhara Sudhan did this slope very nicely. Jat Kinkurusu Bohuso Koluka Kuvani. When Srimati Radhika she did man, and that time on the outside of the kunja, and Manjaris are sitting there. And Krishna, when Krishna is coming, then Manjari was chastisement. And Krishna very humble, and he will hold his ears. Hey, Sakhi, again I will not commit these types of offense. So here Prabhupada Jat Kinkurusu Bohuso Kholu Kaku Bani. What Krishna is saying? Again I will not do this type. And Krishna shedding tears and also very humble these things. But Lalita Devi, she also saying to Srimati Radhika, little bit far. Hey Lalite, hey Radhe, don't you give up your man. Krishna, actually Srimati Radhika, she is looking little bit far in the kunja. Kunja is there small, what is called? Hole. You know what Krishna is doing. Then Srimati Radhika's Korunang Kurmani, Srimati Radhika cannot, she cannot keep her man. Because Mamata Utisankrita, so much Mamata towards Krishna in the heart of Srimati Radhika. So when Krishna very humble and his tears rolling down, and that time Srimati Radhika. But Lalita Devi said, Dhushte Brajendra Tanya Tonusustu Bhammam Ma Dakshina Bhava Kalankini Lagavaya. Lalita Ashtakam. Lalita Devi chastisement. So Srimati Radhika, hey Radhe, don't you give up this. This is a cheater. And in the realm of Prem Rajya this is going on. And just he is also shedding tears. You don't know him. I know. Lalita Devi singing. Drishte Brajendra Tanya Tonusustu Bhammam. Hey Srimati Radhika, be careful and about this cheater. He's big cheater. Just he is pretending. And so you have to keep your Bhamma bhav. Drishte Brajendra Tanya Tonusustu Bhammam Ma Dakshina Bhava Kalankini Raghavat. Hey Kalankini Srimati Radhika, be careful. Here Manjari is what is it doing? Manjari is saying, hey Krishna, not possible. And Swarupa Goswami Pad also explained, and Vrindavan Chakravartini Charana Charanamurti. Vrindavan Chakravartini Srimati Radhika. And in her outside of the kunja, Vrindavan Samsundar, what is doing this way? So this Mandasa, actual Krishna, in this Mandasa, Srimati Radhika, she is servicing to Krishna. How? Because Krishna will do this, then Krishna will feel pleased. And Premik, Premika, lover and beloved, this is the one thing, that when do this, that both will be happy. And this is Mandasa Krishna. In this Mandasa, Srimati Radhika, she serves to Krishna. This man is not this ordinary man. Here in this material world, the man actually, man is calm and lust, anger. And stool and urine, nothing more than this. But the transcendental, the man, there is so much. So for this regard, I explained there's two kinds of man in there. One is called Udatman, another is called Lolitman. Lolitman, this is very important. This is only in the heart of Srimati Radhika and her groups. Mandasa. And especially in this Mandasa, our then what is name? Prabodhananda Saraswati Pad explained when Srimati Radhika, she did man and with her sidelong glance, then Krishna fainted. And that time when Krishna fainted, Srimati Radhika cannot tolerate. And that time Manjaris, they also singing one kind of melody, what is called. That time Krishna, he returns back his consciousness. This side. So in this way they are servicing in this. Because Srimati Radhika's all her activities is exclusively pleasure for Krishna. Govinda Seva. This is in this. Because this is very important. When you read these things, Udatman, Lalitman, actually if you understand these things, Lalitman, then first you rag, different rag, Kusumbha rag, many kinds of rag also there. Because the rag means attachment. Then rag, when more and more condensed, that is these types of prem manifest in the heart. Because without reading Ujjal Inmani Grantha, you cannot understand. If I tell one word, how could you understand? So you need Ujjal Inmani Grantha. Because all the, what is called, definition in there. This man is coming. So Srimati Radhika, she Santaras explained this, no service. But service is what? But when Krishna left the Kunja, then Srimati Radhika, she cannot tolerate. Or one Vaishnava poet also will. When Krishna left the Kunja, because Lolita Devi told, hey Krishna, now Srimati Radhika is very Durjoy man. Durjoy man, understand? Unbreakable man. So maybe after some times, her anger will be, what is called? Pacified. Come down. That time you can come. If someone very angry, you should be far from her. Then when, after some times when our, what is called, anger, fire of anger will down, then you can do. So in the same way, when Krishna left the Kunja, then Srimati Radhika cannot tolerate. She is saying, Sakhi re ami na hoy man kore chilam. Tomara to amar praner sakhi, amar hriday katha tora janis. Srimati Radhika, she is crying. Srimati Radhika, she told, hey Lolite, hey Visakhe, you are my very heart, you are my sakhis. You know my heart. I did man, this is true. But why did you allow to Krishna to go out from my kunja? He said, Chilo Hari, Tari keno jete dili. Hari Krishna, he came here in my kunja. But why did you allow to go out from my kunja? Then Lolita Dvika, what will he do? Are Prahari hoiya, Rakit rohito radharo kunje. He said, Chilo Hari, Tari keno jete dili. Prahariya hoiya, rohito radharo kunje. He may be the security guard outside of my kunja. Then why did not give advice to him? Then he may stay in my kunja, outside of the kunja, as like security guard. Before she was saying, before he was, what is he saying? Hey, Madhava, Madhava, Jahi, Madhava, Mavada Koitava. Or Jayadev Goswami, Madhava, Madhava, Jahi, Mavada Koitava. Hey, Madhav, get out from my. Mavada Koitava. Koitava means cheating words. I don't want to listen your any cheating words. Koitava means cheating. Hey, Madhava, Madhava, Jahi, Mavada Koitava. But when Srimati Radhika's man going down, next day, when Krishna met with Srimati Radhika, then Srimati Krishna told, oh, last night you become very angry with me. Bholi Gopi Radha, Srimati Radhika, everything, see, forget. She told, what did I say to you? When I, Madhava, 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 Jahi, Madhava, Mavada Kaitava. Hey, Madhav, go. That is, but Srimati Radhika giving another explanation. But no, I did not say to you, go out my point. Madhava, Madhava. Ma means not. Sanskrit word. Dhav means running fast. That is the Sanskrit word. Dhav dhatu. Dhavati, dhavata, dhavanti. Sanskrit word. Dhav sabda, dhav words means one who runs fast. That is called dhav sabda. Understand? So, Madhava. That means Srimati Radhika, she gives this explanation. Yes, I told you, we have to go because I am not husband. You are not my husband. You cannot stay with me. You have to go, but don't go around first time. Don't go. Sometimes you stay with me, then go, no problem. So Madhava, Madhava. And here also saying Madhava, Madhava. Right? What is called? English word saying is what? Two negative makes positive. Two negative makes positive. That means don't go means is what? Don't. Hey, go means you are. Don't go. That means you are. Go. Here see, don't go. Jump. Oh yeah, there are many meanings is coming in this. Yeah, here many insects. Understand or not? Are something? What did you say? Maybe they can understand only Hiran Sisu. What did he say? Fala, Português. Something.
Sobre os tipos de man, existe o Dataman, existe o Lalitman, e também está falando sobre os tipos de Mamata, Tadhyata-bhava, Madhyata-bhava. Na verdade, quem é casado, enfim, quando morre de casado, se tem esse Tadhyata-bhava, que significa ele, né? Não, desculpa, eu pertenço a ele. Tipo, a esposa pensa, eu pertenço ao marido. Já as golpes no amor de Parakya-bhava, né, elas vão pensar, Madhyata-bhava, ele pertence a mim. Porque na verdade, Parora means what?
Parora means they married and they are thinking we are others. We are others. Belongs to others, not Krishna.
Então as golpes, como por exemplo do grupo de Srimati Radhika, elas são chamadas assim Parora, elas têm sentimento de que elas pertencem a outra pessoa que não é Krishna, mas na verdade só na mente delas tem esse abhimana de serem casadas. Mas Yogamaya, ela faz um arranjo que na verdade elas se casam num sonho. Porque na verdade, isso está explicado no Gopal Champa de Diva Goswami Pada. Porque na verdade, como tem esse verso que explica, que elas nunca tocam ninguém além de Krishna. E na hora que casa, não tem que amarrar a mão dos noivos e tudo mais. Então elas nunca tocam em ninguém além de Krishna. Então assim, elas, na verdade, só na mente delas pensam que são casadas com outras pessoas, com um Gopa. E assim, na verdade, elas não gostam nem as Gopas do grupo de Srimati Radhika, elas são totalmente Parakya-bhava. E elas não gostam do amor conjugal. E elas não gostam nem de ouvir a palavra pati. Pati geralmente significa marido. Então elas não gostam nem de ouvir essa palavra. Mas aí tem o verso do Gopi Gita que fala, pode ter alguma coisa? E aí, na verdade, esse verso não foi falado pelas Gopis do grupo de Srimati Radhika. Foi falado por outras Gopis. Quem sabe alguém do grupo de Chandravali ou um dos grupos da Sadhana Siddha Gopis. Porque lá em Vrindavan existem também Gopis que têm um cheiro desse humor de Swakya-bhava, o humor de ser casado com Krishna, e elas fazem Gandharva Vivaha, elas se casam com Krishna trocando guirlandas. Essas Gopis eram as Gopis que tinham feito o Katyayani Vrata, porque na época do Katyayani Vrata elas recitavam aquele mantra, né? Katyayani Mahamaya, Mahajagni Dishrinanda, daí fala Pati me Gurdana Maha. Então, Pati, que elas queriam que Krishna fosse esposo, marido delas. Então, essas gopis, elas vão... São essas gopis que fizeram Katyayani Vrata que vão ter esse humor, um pouquinho disso aqui, a bhava, de humor de ser casado mesmo em Vrindavana. Então, no Gopi Gita, esse verso que fala Pati...
Gopi, those who are the Gopi Paraka, they never used to, even they do not want to listen this Pati word. Pati husband, this word. They are very strict. Pati me krute nama. That means Nandasuta, the son of Nanda Maharaj, he will be our husband, Pati. Even they don't want to listen. Upapati krute nama. Upapati, understand? Maybe Krishna, Nandasuta Krishna, he will be our Upapati. Pati, even the Upapati, Pati Sabda Hari, that they don't want to listen this word and they don't want to utter this word Pati. And as I give an example, as like Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya. When Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya received mercy of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, he don't want to utter this word. What? Mukti Pade Saidhavad. Mukti verse he does not want to listen also. Bhakti Pade, but Mahaprabhu told, no, Vyasdeva had written, but you can utter this way. But another meaning.
Então, essas gopis com Parakyabhava, elas não querem nem ouvir essa palavra Pati, Pati Shabda, elas não querem ouvir essa palavra Pati. E então tem esse verso do Gopi Gita que então foi recitado por outras gopis, não por Shrimati Radhika. Mas na verdade também você pode analisar a palavra Pati sem significar marido, porque tem vários significados que podem surgir, né? Como por exemplo, Pa, Palanam, Ti, Trayanam, então significa também aquele Krishna. Pati não no caso de marido, mas no caso que Krishna ele nutre o prema no nosso coração. Então aí nesse caso também elas poderiam falar assim. Só que na verdade elas não gostam muito dessa palavra. Que nem por exemplo, e aí essa palavra tá no Vyasadeva escreveu isso de uma forma até mesmo para tipo enganar as pessoas que querem esse humor disso aqui. Aí elas ficam atraídas, tem esse tipo de conclusão através dessa palavra. Então, por exemplo, Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, depois que ele recebeu a misericórdia do Senhor Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, ele na hora de recitar esse verso do Bhagavatam, na última linha, em vez de ele falar Mukti Padesadayabhak, ele falou Bhakti Padesadayabhak. Mas Mahaprabhu ficou bravo com ele, falou, por que você está falando isso? Vyasadeva escreveu, Vyasadeva é o próprio Narayana, ele escreveu o Bhagavatam. Você não pode mudar, pode falar Mukti. Porque né, Mukti tem vários significados, como o Gurudeva está falando antes, né? Mukti, Krishna, ele que quando, né, ele tem a trança das gopis, aí depois quando Krishna encontra com as gopis, essas tranças desabrocham, né? E outras coisas também, mas não vou falar mais para vocês, senão vocês ficam com o pensamento material. Então tem esse man transcendental, né, das gopis do grupo de Shrimati Radhika, que se chama Lalit Man. Então Shrimati Radhika, quando ela está com Krishna, quando ela está em man, ela serve Krishna em Shantaras. Significa que ela tem essa qualidade, né, de ter nista em Krishna e tudo mais, mas externamente ela não está fazendo nenhum tipo de serviço. Mas na verdade ela está servindo, porque Krishna fica muito feliz com o mano que ela está fazendo. E aí o que acontece? Como o Prabhupada Sarasvati Pada explica, de Atkinkarisha nesse verso, que aí Shrimati Radhika está no Kunja e as Manjaris estão na porta do Kunja. E também quando Shrimati Radhika está em Mana, ela fica brava até mesmo com as Manjaris. E aí... E as Manjaris, ele tá falando antes, né? As Manjaris não têm serviço quando Shrimati Radhika está em Mana. Porque o serviço delas é exatamente na união de Radha e Krishna. Então elas querem sempre uni-los e aí vão até Krishna e glorificam Radha, vão até Radha e glorificam Krishna para que haja união entre eles. E aí então, aí as Manjaris estão na porta e Krishna vem, começa a chorar, desesperado, pede perdão. E aí as Manjaris barrando Krishna para que ele não entre no Kunja. E aí Shrimati Radhika está olhando pelo buraquinho do Kunja. E Shrimati Radhika Karunam Karuna, ela é muito compassiva, ela já está prestes a abandonar o mano dela, mas Lalita fala, Radha, você tem que ficar bem forte no seu mano, que esse aí é um enganador, esse Krishna aí você não sabe, que ele é um trapaceiro, ele é isso, aquilo. E aí, aí Lalita faz com que Shrimati Radhika, ela fala assim, você não sabe quem ele é, mas eu sei quem ele é, Lalita diz, você tem que continuar no seu mano e tudo mais. E aí o que acontece? Aí depois, quando Krishna vai embora da porta do Kunja, aí Shrimati Radhika começa a canção em Bengali e explica. Shrimati Radhika fica assim, desesperada. Minhas amigas, vocês sabem meu coração, né? Eu estava em mano e tudo mais, mas por que vocês deixaram Krishna embora? Por que vocês não deixaram ele aqui na porta? Por que não deram para ele o serviço de ficar aqui na porta como um segurança do Kunja e tudo mais? E assim...
Ela não lembra o que ela falou quando ela tava...
sim, porque na verdade Shrimati Radhika é boligopa, ela é muito simples, né? Ela esquece, ela é inocente, então depois ela já esquece de tudo. Então, por exemplo, ela fala, o que ela fala pra Krishna quando ela tá em Mana? Madhava, Madhava, Jahi, Madhava, Madhava, Kaita. Madhava, vai embora, Madhava, eu não quero ouvir essas palavras, né? essas palavras enganosas que você fica falando, essas, né? Aí ela, só que depois no dia seguinte, Krishna vem falar pra ela, ó, Radha, você tava tão brava comigo ontem. Ela falou assim, eu tava brava? O que eu falei? Aí Krishna fala, você falou Madhava, Madhava Jahi, Madhava... tipo, Madhava, vai embora, eu não quero ouvir o que você tem a dizer, né? Você só fala palavras que... seja, né? Como chama? E aí, enganando. Aí Krishna... Aí Shrimati Radha, você não entendeu o que eu falei. Porque, na verdade, Madhava, Ma significa não. Dhava significa correr. Então, na verdade, claro, você tinha que ir embora. Porque a gente não é casado, então a gente não pode ficar muito tempo junto. Mas não vai embora muito rápido, né? Não vai embora rápido. E aí, assim ela fala. E também ela estava dizendo, como em inglês se diz, né? Que duas negativas fazem uma afirmação. Então ela diz Madhava, Madhava, Jahi, né? Madhava, Madhava, vai embora, vai embora. Na verdade significa Madhava, fique. Porque você fala duas vezes não vá, significa fique. E assim, mais alguma coisa? Finish.
Something.
Goranga has a question. She said that all the gopis marry with Krishna in Brahma Lila.
Brahma Mohan Lila. Yeah, Jogmaya arranged this. You want to make that?
What's the question? What is the question?
No,
No
because
question, just he asked you. In Brahma Mohan Lila, Krishna married with all the gopis, but not Krishna form. They also married with the form of the Gopas. Actually, they are all the Gopas. When Gopas, the Krishna manifested himself. Okay, now go. There are so many mosquitoes. Mosquitoes. Vela. Vela. Okay?